Today, we'll be discussing a topic that many of you have requested: how to get started with BDSM. Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. I'm Dr. Nazanin Moali, clinical psychologist, certified sex therapist, and host of Sexology podcast. Before we dive in, let's clarify what's BDSM stands for. It stands for bondage, discipline, dominance, submission, sadism, and masochism. It entails a wide range of activities, sensations, and power dynamic. In BDSM, you can explore various roles like dominance and submissive or switch. Remember, there is no right way or wrong way of engaging in BDSM as long as you have enthusiastic consent from the partners. So, clear communication, consent, and trust are super important in any BDSM activity. Have a chat with your partners about what you're into, your limits, any fantasy you like to explore. If you're not sure about boundaries, take some time to think about what you're comfortable with. Do a little research on different BDSM activities, or even ask advice from people who've been there before, like online forums and experienced friends. Before you dive in, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Now, let's talk about safe words. A safe word is like a code word that you and your partner agree on beforehand. If one of you says the safe word, everything stops right away. To pick a good safe word, go for something that's easy to remember, not likely to pop up during the scene and clearly says stop or pause. Some folks use the traffic light system where green means all good, yellow means slow down, and red means stop right now. And always remember, consent is ongoing, so keeping those lines of communication open is crucial. Safety first, always. Make sure you're aware of the risks associated with specific activities and take necessary precautions. If you're taking on dominant role, it's crucial to learn how to navigate power dynamics safely and respectfully, and to provide training and discipline within established boundaries. A great way for beginners to dip their toes into BDSM is through sensation play. Experiment with various types of touches, temperature, and textures, using everything like ice cubes or blindfolds or feathers can be really helpful. This can help you uncover new pleasures and build trust with your partner. Once you feel more comfortable, you can gradually explore more advanced activities like impact play, bondage, role playing, and so forth. Take your time, do your research, and always prioritize safety and consent. And don't forget, the BDSM community is filled with experts and sex educators, so reach out for help. Also, aftercare is a crucial part of any BDSM scene. This is when you and your partner unwind from intense emotions and sensations experienced during the scene. Offer comfort, reassurance, and talk about any feelings and concern that may come up. There you have it, folks. Our guide to getting started with BDSM. Be patient with yourself and your partner, and of course, have fun. Now, if you're looking for even more ways to spice up your sex life, we got something special for you. Download our sex therapist approved list of 101 different ways to spice up your sex life now and turn up the heat in the bedroom. These guides include tons of fun and sexy ways to connect with your partner. So don't miss out. Just click the link below to download the guide. Talk to you guys later.